Hi there! Welcome to Fun to Fluent English, where learning English is fun and easy.
Be brutally honest with yourself. Know your weaknesses. Admit your mistakes. Stop blaming others.
Let's break it down.
Be brutally honest with yourself.
Be brutally honest with yourself. Tell yourself the truth, even if it hurts. Repeat. Be brutally honest. Be brutally honest. With yourself. With yourself. Usage examples. Brutally. The truth can sometimes be brutally painful. She was brutally honest about how she felt. He brutally told me that I wasn't good enough. Sometimes you have to be brutally realistic about your chances. Honest. He is an honest man. She gave an honest answer to the question. He was honest about his feelings. She was honest about her past. Yourself. You have to believe in yourself. Take care of yourself. You should be proud of yourself. You can do it by yourself.
Know your weaknesses.
Know your weaknesses. Be aware of your limitations. Repeat. Know your weaknesses. Know your weaknesses. Usage examples. No. We know that it's important to eat healthy. I know that I made a mistake. Do you know how difficult this is for me? He knows the truth, but doesn't want to admit it. Your. Is this your book? I like your new haircut. This is your responsibility. I need to see your ID. Weaknesses. We all have our weaknesses. His main weakness is his lack of self-confidence. The team worked on their weaknesses to improve.
Admit your mistakes.
Admit your mistakes. 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 Acknowledge the things you did incorrectly. Repeat. Admit your mistakes. Admit your mistakes. Usage examples. Admit. You should admit when you are wrong. He refused to admit his guilt. It's hard to admit that I made a mistake. She admitted that she had lied. Mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. Don't repeat your mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. It's important to acknowledge your mistakes.
Stop blaming others.
Stop blaming others. Stop. Blaming blame. Blaming blame. Quit saying that other people are responsible for your problems or mistakes. Repeat. Stop blaming others. Stop blaming others. Usage examples. Stop. Stop talking and start doing. You should stop smoking. Stop worrying about things you can't control. He stopped watching TV to focus on his studies. Blame. He is always blaming me for his mistakes. Stop blaming yourself for what happened. He blamed his friend for the accident. Others. She helps others without expecting anything in return. We should respect the opinions of others. He doesn't care what others think of him. Some prefer to work alone, while others enjoy teamwork. Vocabulary recap. Beat. Brutally. Honest. with yourself. Know your weaknesses. Admit mistakes. Stop blame others read listen.
Be brutally honest with yourself. Know your weaknesses. Admit your mistakes. Stop blaming others.
When was the last time you said, "It's my fault"? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.